GPT-5 generated 10,000 test cases in under a minute. Every single one passed, and the application still crashed in production. Everyone is telling you that AI is the death of manual testing, that exploratory testing is a relic. Here's the thing, they're not just wrong, they're dangerously wrong. And if your team believes this, you're about to ship bugs that no automation framework on Earth would have caught. Today I'm going to show you exactly where AI hits a wall, not in theory, in practice. And by the end, you'll understand why your human instinct isn't just valuable. It's the only thing standing between a clean build and a total system collapse. Let's start with what AI is genuinely good at. GPT-5 can generate thousands of automated test scripts in seconds. Unit tests, integration tests, end-to-end flows. The syntax is clean, the coverage metrics look incredible, and that's the trap. The better the AI gets at generating tests, the more dangerous it becomes, because it creates a false sense of security. If your coverage report says 98%, and all those tests were generated by an LLM trained on historical data, what are you covered against? Yesterday's bugs, the patterns in the training data. You know what you're not covered against? The weird edge case that only exists because your front end is React and your back end is a Python monolith, and your payment provider just silently changed their API schema. No LLM has ever seen that combination. No generated test will ever catch it, but a tester would. A human who opens the checkout flow, squints at the loading spinner and thinks, that took too long, something's off. That instinct is not in the training data. If you're a QA engineer, an SDET, or anyone who's been told your testing skills are about to be replaced, you're in the right place. This is QA Revolution. I break down AI testing, Claude workflows, and the real future of software quality every single week. If that sounds valuable, hit like and subscribe to QA Revolution right now. All right, let's keep going. Here's where it gets weird. AI operates on statistical probability. It predicts what should come next based on what it's seen before. Exploratory testing thrives on the improbable, the illogical, the thing that shouldn't happen but does. You're testing a user profile page. The AI generates 50 tests. Update name, update email, upload avatar, change password, all pass. A human tester opens the profile page, changes the language to Arabic, switches back to English, opens the avatar uploader, pastes a URL instead of selecting a file. Hits save, hits back, hits save again. The app crashes. Why did the human do that? Because something felt off. The font rendering looked weird for a split second. They followed a hunch. That's not logic, that's intuition. Pattern recognition from years of watching software misbehave. The AI closed that test suite at 100% pass rate. The human found the crash. And here's the part the AI evangelists don't want to discuss. Large language models are biased toward success. They hallucinate success. They want to solve the problem. They want to tell you it's fine. A QA engineer walks into a room assuming it's broken. They don't trust the happy path. They don't trust the demo. They don't trust the coverage report. That healthy paranoia is the engine of software quality. You cannot automate paranoia. You cannot prompt skepticism. You cannot train a model to distrust its own output. So here's what you actually do with this. Reason number one, use AI for the grunt work. Let it write the boilerplate tests and generate test data. That frees you up for the work that actually matters. Reason number two, double down on exploratory testing. The ability to sit with an application, follow your instincts, and uncover bugs that no script would have found. That skill is more valuable now than ever. Reason number three, Learn to test AI systems themselves. If your company is building chatbots or generated content, somebody needs to validate that output. Test for hallucinations. Test for bias. Almost nobody knows how to do this yet. If you learn it, you become irreplaceable. Reason number 4. Stop apologizing for being a manual tester. The industry spent 10 years telling you manual testing is dead. It's not. It evolved. It's called exploratory testing, and it's the one thing AI genuinely cannot do. Here's my question for you. What's a bug you found through pure instinct, not through a test case, not through automation? A bug you caught because something just felt off. Drop the story in the comments. I read every single one. If this video shifted how you think about AI and testing, smash that like button and subscribe to QA Revolution. I drop one of these every single week. I'm also showing you exactly how I use Claude as my testing grunt work engine. The prompts, the workflow, the real output. You don't want to miss that. The AI can write the tests, but only you can decide if the software is actually good. I'll see you in the next one.